Show us your curly hair. Y'all need to see this. Hello, wow, welcome. I have not made a video on this channel in literally 2 months, a month, 2 months. I feel like 2 months. I just want to say thank you guys for bearing with me. Welcome, hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I currently have absolutely no weave in. The real Teala Dunn has arrived. Yes, I did straighten my hair obviously, so this is not like technically my natural hair, but it's my natural hair in the sense that there's no weave, because I know bitches are gonna get technical. Just want to put that out there. But today's video, I decided to do a hair Q&A and also just a life update. I'm getting my weave done tomorrow with my amazing stylist, Maury. She's literally incredible, and my hair has never been this healthy in like such a long time. I don't even know if you guys can tell like on camera, but like it is so healthy. If you guys go back to vlogs where I was getting my weave done with this other girl, my hair was so messed up and literally was like, not even, I'm trying to find like how short my hair was. I will try to insert a clip if I can't find it. Just trust me that my hair was so damaged and brutal and short and literally would not grow because she would put so much glue in my hair, and glue should just not be on the hair at all. No matter who you are, just glue is just not for your scalp. So moving right along, I tweeted for you guys to ask me questions. If you guys are not following me on my social media, it's all linked down below, my Instagram, my Twitter, and I'm also going to be filming at the salon tomorrow. So yeah, this is basically just like one giant hair Q&A all about my hair. I don't know, I missed you guys and I just wanted to hop on here and just make a raw freaking video. Also, I'm obsessed with this lip color. Okay, literally obsessed. It is Sugar Rush and this is called Sugar Coat. And it's just like so natural and pretty and matte. I'm shook, so moving right along. Oh yeah, should probably open up Twitter. First question, show us your curly hair. I actually have footage of my hair last night when it was like super curly, so I will insert that right now. So I'm documenting my hair because y'all need to see this. Like, do y'all see how cute my natural hair is? I just wanted to show you guys. Obviously, this vlog is going to be my hair transformation. I'm gonna wash it and straighten it and pin it up and everything, but I just wanted to show you guys. It's so cute. Honestly, it's so freaking cute. Like, I love it. Oh, I just think you guys need to see. Why don't you wear your natural hair out more often? The real reason why I have not been wearing my natural hair out is because I just wanted it to be healthy. Back when I was doing my TV show Are We There Yet, like way back in the day when I was like 13, 14, my hair was so healthy. And even when I would wear like weaves or extensions, my hair was still like so great that I could wear most of it out. And then obviously you guys know I got like Carrington extensions when I was like 18, and that literally ruined my hair. My hair was like down my back. There's video footage of it like all over the internet. My hair was so healthy, and then it got ruined, and then I switched to like weaves and frontals, but I went to like a lady that messed me up, and now I finally have an amazing stylist, and I definitely want to wear my natural hair more. Like, I have a lot of hair and I love it. It's cute. I'm cute. And that's not me being conceited. It's just like I get a lot of comments like, you wear weaves because you're ashamed of your hair, you blah blah blah. Like, I'm not at all. I love my hair and I love the skin that I'm in. I don't know why I can't talk. I need coffee, so if I'm not functioning, if she's a little glitched, that's why. Iced coffee's always on my mind. How do you keep your hair so healthy? Shout out to my amazing stylist, Beauty by Maury on Instagram. I'm not getting paid to say any of this. She is just honestly so amazing and such a hard worker. And she maintains my hair completely. She just takes such good care of it and always gives me good advice when I go into her salon. And yeah, how do I maintain it? I don't know. I just stopped going to salons. Hope that makes sense. Your natural hair is absolutely stunning. Thank you so much. That's really sweet. It means a lot to me. Thank you, because it once was crusted and busted and I didn't even have edges. And bitch, I got edges now. Sorry, I feel like I might be pretty annoying in this video because I need coffee and I'm kind of bouncing around, but I just feel really happy that I'm at a place right now where I can just come on camera and not wear any extensions at all. I mean, like, I feel like old Teala, like back in the day, like 2015 Teala would never do a video with her natural hair out. So progress. Favorite memory of 2019 so far? I don't know. I'm making a lot of good memories right now. My friend group is absolutely incredible, and I think the people that you surround yourself with is very important. So make sure you don't like surround yourself with people that are very negative or people that don't have their best interests at heart, or your best interests at heart. And my friend group could not have been better this year. So I've been making a lot of memories with them, and we took a road trip to Vegas, and I just went to New York, and I'm going to Hawaii. I don't know, probably just traveling with my best friend so far. Do you ever think you're going to switch up your weave styles anytime soon? Love you, girl, your videos are so amazing. Thank you, that's so nice. Her Twitter says China Doll, so shout out to you. Yes, I think for sure I'm gonna start like leaving a lot more of my natural hair out, because again, I was just like trying to protect my natural hair. Now that I know that I literally could just wear my hair like this, like it's cute. People have haircuts like this all the time. So yeah, I think I will switch it up eventually. Not anytime soon, because I still love my weaves. I still love like having super long hair, but eventually. Would you ever do box braids? Never say never. I probably will one day, but I've had braids before and they give me like really bad headaches, and then my scalp gets really itchy, and I don't know, I'm not the biggest fan of it on me, so I don't think I would really do it unless like I booked a role and they needed me to do box braids. I don't see me like going out of my way to get box braids. And that's no shade if you wear box braids. Box braids looks gorgeous on so many people. My sister wore box braids recently, but it also like gave her a headache and made her have an itchy scalp, so then she like got it taken out in like 2 weeks. So I feel like that's kind of a waste of money too, but I don't know. Have you ever had cornrows? Yes, I have. I used to be Juanita in the Naked Brothers band. I don't know if you guys remember that. That show is literally everything. Like, can we talk about it? Can we talk about it? Fun fact, I was literally in love with Nat Wolff. He had no idea, by the way, like at all, because I was like literally 9, but I was in love with him. I was 9 and he was 11, and I was like, oh my God, he's too old for me. Like, hopefully he never watches this, because that's really awkward, but yeah, I was in love with him. Little 9-year-old Teala was in love with him. But anyways, I had cornrows filming that show, because Juanita was a tomboy. And yes, I had cornrows, so that's the tea. What straightener do you use? I use this straightener by Got2b, I think is the brand. I also have one by Hot Tools. Do you think you can rock a bob? Well, honey, I hope so, because my natural hair is, I guess it's longer than a bob, but like, I sure hope I'm rocking this, because it's all I got. What shampoo and conditioner do you use? I use Carol's Daughter. I freaking love them. I think they're really great on naturally curly African American hair. They're good for other people's hair too, I'm sure. But for me personally, on my natural hair, it's incredible, and her conditioner is my absolute favorite. So, how often do you straighten / curl your hair? Well, as far as my natural hair, if I were to wear it like out weekly, I would probably straighten it like twice a week and then braid my hair at night so that I like don't use the heat on it, if that makes sense. That's probably what I would do if I actually like wore it like this, like weekly. I hope I'm making sense. Best tip to grow your hair. If you're gonna wear like weaves and wigs, I would recommend doing that. I'd recommend not doing anything with glue and really have somebody braid it correctly, because the lady that I was going to before, she was not braiding my hair right at all, to the point where like it literally was not growing, because she like the braids were just awful. So it's all about the foundation of like how your hair is protected underneath your weaves. So I hope that makes sense. I'm gonna go ahead and end the little Q&A here, and now we're gonna cut to me getting my weave done at the salon. Before I hand this off to future Teala, aka tomorrow, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know if you guys want more just real raw sit down videos like this on the channel, because even filming this made me so happy. Like, it's just so fun. So yeah, okay. Bye guys. Mwah. Hello, this is future Teala. So I just pinned my hair up and slicked it back. Or I didn't really slick it back. I literally just blow dried it and pinned it back. And I did my makeup. The foundation I'm wearing is actually the Too Faced Peachy foundation. And I'm wearing the Sugar Rush lipstick that I told you guys about in the last clip. And now I'm on my way to the hair salon. I'm gonna pick up coffee first, and then I'm going to get my weave done. So yeah, this is my before. Literally love my hair, love my natural hair, love how it's laying, how thick it is, everything about it. But next time you guys will see me, my weave will be in, so. Okay, let's go.
I'm standing in the corner. I see from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody singing oh, everybody singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm.
So I just finished getting my hair done. Sorry I didn't like do any talking while I was in there. I was just like, wanted to show you guys while she was styling it. I freaking love it. Like, my weave looks so amazing. My stylist is incredible. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Q&A with my natural hair and now with my weave. I love it so much. I just feel so confident and I feel fantastic. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of my hair. I love it so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. All right, I'm gonna go. Bye, guys.